Ebusu Nsɛmpa wakwa ababiom. Ebra so say nkrat ani mu nsɛm yedi wo enkobo. Mimi din Nana Yaa Brefo danso. Mini abema JB, Henry, ena Eshraba, ena kam ho ayede nkrat ani mu nsɛm ede brewo. Eshraba de yin ne kra wo na France.
Yeah, mama fa we share for mo.
The Vanguard. Osiba Omia goes for the Jagula, right? Jagula. Jagula. I don't know. MPA resolved
95.1.
manifesto. Yes, you tell sport committee. Oh no, Robert. Yeah, Samoa.
Manifesto.
Hey, for Ghana.
Yes.
For Ghana, you can sport.
No, for a political party, not for Ghana.
Oh, not a political party, no sir.
Not a political party. My sister.
In case Owina.
My sister,
I am happy you are bringing a conditional statement. Say, oh, we are
a conditional statement. Of course, there should be a conditional.
As a man, was super catching and paying.
No, but
how about that? Someone want to be drawn manifesto.
Oh, I did. Dear Nkwano. Yes, no.
Yes, want to be drawn now.
Yes,
because they are going to assess the old ones.
No.
Yes. And then
the fact that he's an ex-footballer doesn't make him an expert in sports.
Oh, wow.
We are talking about sports, not a football.
Yes, football.
Yes, so we are talking about sports, not football. Yes, boxing can one say for long tennis, table tennis. We are talking about sporting discipline, not football.
Okay.
The fact is, ex-footballer doesn't make him an expert in sports.
But why are you surprised? Because just you're betting come. I'm sure
they should. Except that on one casape.
We'll go into this.
Except on one
casape. Samojan has been a politician. In fact, if I'm not mistaken,
big time politician.
Because anytime the president goes to Parliament, State of the Nation, he's there.
He's there.
Also,
he's been there.
Oh yeah, people can't remember.
But don't you know?
I've not seen it, but I've seen him in Parliament several times.
No, as Samojan, he was there. Baumia speech, he was there.
So he's there. Can't remember.
Once upon a time, as Samojan would have stood on the ticket for MPP, was maybe a papi were saying fine. Once upon a time, someone called Kako, you know.
So we know that he's a card-bearing member of the NPP.
But what
once he's been given a job, there's a possibility.
Nana, 30 seconds. You see here, we need to be serious as a state.
What do you mean?
No, the fact that Brother Kasembi, minimum Samojan, what he can do.
Yes.
As Samoa, I mean, an accomplished footballer.
We've had.
Aside that, minimum there. But tennis he's a very big fan of
and
tennis.
He's very passionate about boxing. Yeah. Or
company will promote boxing. That said, I always think about management. You see.
So what? He can't manage it. Is that what you're saying?
Onua 95.1.
Sports minister not to. Why manage the football?
No, Baba, you can also say
sports minister.
Yeah. Come now, boy.
Daddy.
That's what so yes, sports.
So it's neither here or there. That's all.
It is there.
No, it is. No, it is. It is. No, it is. It is there.
It is there. The difference. There's a vast difference between my minim and I have the acumen technically. All facet.
Technically, yeah, I want to understand. That's why I gave you an example there. In the Minister of Health or Ministries, or Dr. Wampanza.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Wampanza. Oh, yeah, about management. That is the why I brought in that. Oh, yeah.
Has a lot of companies and it's been managed.
Oh, no, you don't manage. Minister. Oh, you don't manage. Oh, you don't manage. He's only the one. He's not the one who manages it.
What does Samojan knows about water?
He's not the one who manages it.
What does
He's not the one who manages it.
What does Samojan knows about water?
Anyway,
water. He has a water company.
And I say, Yeah, but they want so that one open a walk up to papers. No, when the kind of stories they will be.
Yes, they say, who say it to me at the Banchmole, at the free to say be a central region, the western region, Munina, a banner, say some Cassiaba was here when ye. As a Edma for 1 year said Mawino, a whoopimo a year a Jomoro, evaluate draft municipal anymore. One the Ababa Trigger say Rivan Cobra. Okwa ese titi 14
ensure na no
enwa they say enwa no mo sa
ensure na no mo say eniate no a I come on
me view no
e no yes so mo
tide no for so na so oba inside no e clean na was na nsunenyu ato
omo kwasasi wa no ma to aduro de agum na efi na omuni nyina atwe na afi omo de ayi kenke no mo de bank ai no mo de ayi bank wo mo de ayi bank
wo mo de bi kra ya cheke ho na cheke
hey kenke kese
Sadia, yeah, regalam sense,
yeah, and no, it just said, and no, but me, I said, no, yeah, ba,
Naya, Beja di say, me no kase, today, and Okwachu Mamponia.
As you can see, I'm a crew.
To near the sea, and so fine, Eddie to Galamsin, me no kase, right now. No.
One for silence and bon, or you to Mubiati.
Yes.
Daily Graphic, quick one. Also, government committed to oil resolve Ahmed Swale's murder. Attorney General Maman Kamasam, abandoned there. Abandoned Abania, MVP Abani.
Let's say it's a shame that a case like this, as we speak, they tell us there's no document.
What's in there?
They cannot find the document.
Nana Yaa, what's in there? We're committed. Attorney General. To finding who made it.
I've read why I committed.
It's in Germany in Zana. Also committed. Avoid ahead of 2024 elections. Avoid hate speech. Peace Council was that true? Hey! Peace Council. Peace Council.
Paper now, boom. And Cabo boom.
Peace Council. Do they still exist in Ghana?
What's in the 2024 elections?
Nana, we are not talking about
they are called the Peace Council.
Before 2020.
When there are issues, it is
before
all
2016.
of them or one person.
Before
2016.
Before 2016. Not to come here Ghana.
Who are you talking about?
The Peace Council.
Reverend Dr. Nestudu.
Oh no.
Me bisa say Miss Remo me bisa say say by elections in Kwana Peace Council for to me kasa na say
I said they better me din tokwa.
One boko.
Tokwa bi anywhere see.
Morisi Baku Morisi.
Osino school for ya
Osino
bi
student no nye kromafu ya.
They be no nko
anyway. But there is a serious issue. Also, more people with higher education unemployed. Ghana Statistical Service one report about to go to one hour school.
Onua FM 95.1.
Unemployment is a problem.
Yeah, and painful kasa. What's a national threat?
Go to Canada and see.
Or a national threat.
Just go to Canada and see.
Well, everywhere unemployment is a problem. But
yeah.
If you go to Canada, oh.
Walk to Canada.
We are in a situation of unemployment. And unemployment is real. And we are still training a lot of graduates in the system.
Yes. Every year, graduating crop.
But maybe I will employ the graduates to find other means of finding jobs.
Entrepreneurship.
And when you're to abandon, obey your
yeah, unim. Me say hey. Ma hu broni fita o te kwan ho osreseska e wo broni kro.
Yeah.
Oh, it happens.
Broni fita o.
It happens.
Ah, te kwan ho osres. E wo no akasa ni kro.
It happens.
So sometimes when you talk about unemployment, I find it to be relative. Because say o papa mo bra na obu offer ana me be boa o na papa be boa
o si am bra kan fo
offer o
ba o papa mo bra kan fo offer
ya ba bo ka sa o
sa na e kam
e mo bra na
bo ka sa o akofo
I'm not to see a kwa fancy
no me come there
come here nkwa
ladies and gentlemen,
fellow
Ghanaians. Yes. Now, Emra,
paper by now,
almost a friend ABC News.
BBC News.
ABC. Now, me mente brofo to me kind of brofo. But me can with the criteria. And I see a debut course so pa a friend Jubilee House house.
Or say change in MPP majority leadership. Or say Chairman Sabosu as manifesto chair. As Samoajan as sports committee chair.
Yes. And pay officially Chairman Sabosu attended resignation letter.
He did that yesterday.
Yes, or Enra say on your majority leader be. Or say Nado. But unim.
Was one more beer Juma our parliament so on
preamble semi koko kosuni na free last week.
Yes.
And Nado. Yeah, you're president. Onua see Onua kukufa 2 nights or call party office. Our country almost say or person say Chairman Sabosu
95.1
any free honomo. And na MPs ni be led by and the appear could be so one prediction. It's in their running order. One of their friends discussions. Omu yifrimu na no Jude Bekai.
Neck beat the
neck beat. Almost yes. Saturday na Chairman Sawo how. But mind you, last week na Chairman Sabosu no abrochire. Because of some meeting waiting and obai. Obai ne ko wie ni na achi no. The way and man on one kasa personally no person free that seat as majority leader.
But I told you that the man himself had accepted it.
Because there is yes, another job.
But tie a kwanya na do person first di yi no no. Onu akasa de he was ever willing to leave that position. That is why Omofa Afenyo Marcus Emba say Ome deputizing because Adwasafo wasn't that good enough to handle the NDC people.
Onua.
But Ekwaya Nado president you know.
Na enye buo
enu be gu nanim ase to the highest score.
Na ekamia ye say o party say na dwuma nso de ni.
Mind you, this is the same man who is tipped to be the running mate for the vice president.
That won't happen.
That won't happen. It's true. But I understand JB.
Oh, no, I would say that. I don't know. But this is the same man who was still here. He was still to be the running mate to the vice president. He was still.
He was part.
Yes.
It's you know, some level be.
He was
promise 95.1.
Enna. At the same time, because of Ayokobo trade position na okwa compare wo Commonwealth so
Commonwealth yeah.
Eti ono na your friend is a foreign affairs. But man nankasa personally before this just ended the elections 2020 elections 2020 elections no ono akasa de okase onko biem as a member of parliament. Enti na kope defense ministry. Who say ho no mo de who say ho de pa budget nko. The same MPP people that did Jantua at the comment here. Yes, Ramo, se papa free parliament higher because Onyan and train you beer. That time so now we had that.
But the crown so said no one kasa constituency was so nice that I go ye.
But who him?
Now no
I was something say.
Joe we are no
Timer. Also no na you Kofi Joe bada for power no. Aha yes I dey bet him aburu ni so no na Kofi Joe no oba side that coincidentally no be that shit is so it's back bo when no ono aka you see but Nado
president
no I'm only saying Nado
his excellency
Prince Abu
his excellency
a lot is going on and we need to be careful as a
no but you see look his excellency I've said it and I keep saying if you want somebody who is a politician
Onua FM 95.1
who understands politics
Otse amayosam odi amayosam ohwi amayosam
obia
corners ni nyina
and he's been relevant Yeah. He's been relevant for more than 30 years.
I saw you.
Mo for papa we, I know you put it for captain.
One sorry me sports.